Kiria gitumite andu aingi ethi matikahimbiria urimi muno ni gukorwo ati aria marauta wira ucio kaingi matikoretwo makiona umithio.
We are leaving a lot of our youth to go into criminology. And ladies and gentlemen, the youth, there's a lot of opportunity in agriculture. But it can't be the same way we are doing agriculture. The youth are not going to participate in that kind of agriculture.
Riu thirikari ni itumite wira-ini wa gutigirira njamba njithi ni ciaingira urimi-ini na njira ya gutheremia githomo kia urimi, kuheana ngombo cia urimi o hamwe na kwambika mitaratara iria gutigirira urimi wina uguni kuri arimi.
We have to have the youth in mind. And if we say agriculture and the activities in the agricultural value chain is going to be one of the critical sectors of the economy, then the youth have to be involved. The question is, how do we get agriculture to be a well-paying job that's attractive to somebody, the youth?
Njamba njithi ngihimbiria urimi thina wa wagi wa mawira ni ukunyiha, irio ciongerereke thiini wa bururi o hamwe na kunyihia waganu amu ngurubu ino ni ikwota kwirugamirira kimbeca.
Telling the youth to go into farming. I mean, rational human beings. If they know that life on a farm is too hard and you don't get much money, you can preach all you want, nothing's going to happen.
Oho arimi no moritio kuhimbiria njira njeru cia urimi, ta urimi wa thamaki kana mimera ya mai iria ihuthagirwo guthondeka plastic iria tabuthaga. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Njuguna Wang'ang'a.